Hello there. Today, we shall journey into the world of heart-healthy foods. This is not just about keeping your heart ticking along nicely, it's about enhancing your entire well-being. You see, the food we eat can be the most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. So it's crucial to understand the importance of maintaining a heart-healthy diet and its impact on overall health. So, without further ado, dive with us into the world of heart-healthy foods. First on our list is the ever-nutritious whole grains. These aren't your regular grains. Whole grains are the complete package, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. They're a good source of fiber, which is key to regulating blood pressure and heart health. But it's not just fiber that makes whole grains a heart-healthy option. They're also packed with other essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, folate, selenium, potassium, and magnesium. Each of these plays a vital role in maintaining heart health. B vitamins, for instance, help reduce inflammation, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Iron ensures your cells get enough oxygen, while potassium helps control your blood pressure. Whole grains come in many delicious forms, from oatmeal and brown rice to whole grain bread and pasta. So there's no shortage of ways to incorporate them into your meals. Remember, whole grains are your heart's friend, and incorporating them into your diet can lead to a healthier heart. Next up, we have berries and other fruits. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins, fiber, and particularly high levels of antioxidants like anthocyanins, which may protect against the oxidative stress and inflammation that contribute to the development of heart disease. In addition, fruits like oranges, apples, and pears are also high in dietary fiber and flavonoids, which are known to help lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health. Let's not forget about bananas either. These are high in potassium, a nutrient that can help regulate blood pressure. And then there's the humble grapefruit, a high-fiber, low-calorie fruit that can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels and increase good HDL cholesterol, promoting a healthier heart. So, while it might be tempting to reach for a bag of chips when you're feeling peckish, remember that a handful of berries or a piece of fruit could do wonders for your heart health. So, the next time you reach for a snack, consider a handful of berries or a piece of fruit. Let's now turn our attention to leafy green vegetables. These vibrant foods are not only pleasing to the eye, but also pack a powerful nutritional punch. Leafy greens are known to be high in vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. But did you know that vitamin K also has a part to play in protecting your heart? Yes, indeed. It helps to prevent the hardening of arteries, a common cause of heart disease. Leafy greens are also high in nitrates. Now don't be alarmed. These aren't the same as the harmful nitrates found in processed meats. In fact, the nitrates in leafy greens can help to lower blood pressure and improve the function of cells lining the blood vessels, both of which are crucial for heart health. From spinach and kale to romaine and collard greens, leafy green vegetables can be a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Now, let's talk about fats, but not just any fats, healthy fats. You might be thinking, fats? Are they not bad for us? Well, that's a common misconception. Not all fats are created equal. There are, in fact, fats that are essential for our bodies. They're called healthy fats, and they're found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish. These fats are packed with nutrients and can have a positive impact on our heart health. Let's unpack this a bit. Healthy fats, especially the ones found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats help reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein, commonly known as bad cholesterol, and increase high-density lipoprotein, which we know as good cholesterol. This good cholesterol plays a crucial role in removing the bad cholesterol from your bloodstream, which can lead to a healthier heart. And let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, like salmon and mackerel. These fatty acids are proven to reduce inflammation and decrease the risk of heart disease. So, you see, fats aren't the enemy. They're an important part of a balanced diet. But it's crucial to choose the right kind of fats. Opt for a handful of nuts over a bag of crisps, or a piece of grilled salmon over a greasy burger. So don't shy away from fats. Just make sure they're the healthy kind. In conclusion, a heart-healthy diet is within reach. We've traversed through a culinary landscape, exploring some of the most nourishing foods for our heart. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned, shall we? We started our journey with whole grains. These are the unsung heroes of a heart-healthy diet. They're brimming with fiber, helping to lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Examples include oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread. Then we shifted our focus to the colorful world of berries and other fruits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, they're a delicious way to keep your heart in tip-top shape. Be it strawberries, blueberries, apples, or bananas, incorporating fruits into your diet is a sweet way to stay healthy. We also took a stroll through the leafy green vegetable aisle. These nutrient powerhouses, including spinach, kale, and broccoli, provide us with a wealth of vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin K, and fiber. They're a great way to keep your heart beating strong and steady. Lastly, we delved into the world of healthy fats. Yes, you heard that right. Not all fats are to be feared. Foods like avocados, fatty fish, and olive oil contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. As we've seen, maintaining a heart-healthy diet doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about making smart choices and incorporating these foods into your daily meals. Remember, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better with a strong and healthy heart. We hope this journey has inspired you to take the first step towards a heart-healthy lifestyle. It's a journey worth taking for your heart and for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into heart-healthy foods. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Stay healthy and take care.